Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the Greek, which is also known as the scorpion. I'm going to show you some leg variations and a couple of ways that you can get out of this move as well. Be sure to stick around to the end to see it as a spin. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Starting from a hip key, make sure the fabric's in your low back and then wrap your top leg 3 times. Twice above the knee and once below. Holding onto the pole end of the fabric, you're going to straddle your legs to make sure that your right leg doesn't get caught on the fabric as you rotate through and hook it onto the pole end. Reach overhead, grasp the fabric and pull yourself into the pose. The first way to come out of this is to do a big sit up. Your left hand is going to reach under the knee as you come back into a hip key and then unravel the fabric to come back into a climb. Next, I'm going to show you the second way out of this pose before we move on to the spin. Wrapping in is the same, the top leg 3 times, 2 above the knee and 1 below. Holding onto the pole end, you're going to straddle wide, coming around to hook the right knee. This time to come out, we're simply going to do a big sit up, unhook the right leg and let the fabric unravel. Alright, let's take a look at the spin and the leg variations. Hip key, make sure the silk's at your low back and then start the spin with big stirring motions. I like starting the spin first because I think it makes the leg wrapping look a little more interesting to watch. If you guys are enjoying this tutorial, you can help me out by clicking the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. For the straight leg variation, I like to get the spin going first, and then straighten the leg out, trying to keep it horizontal and making sure your toes are pointed. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial on the Greek. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one.